Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video we are going to talk about how can you explore NFTs into Binance. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, just simply open your Binance application. And after opening the Binance application, you can see a lot of options into this homepage. Now you just simply have to tap to this Binance icon into the top left corner, and after tapping in there, you will get to see the option of more service. Tap to more service, and when you tap into that, a lot more option is gonna appear. And then just simply move on to this trade section here, and after that you will get the option of Binance NFT. Now in order to explore the NFTs of Binance, just simply tap to Binance NFT, and after that tap to accept button, and you can see a lot of trending NFTs into this section, such as Valentine's, Rose, the Marvel Avengers, and many more, such as Bitcoin Punk. And you can view literally a lot of Binance NFTs, which might include a lot of things into here, and this way you can easily explore Binance NFTs. I hope you are clear on how can you view or explore Binance NFT. If yes, don't forget to give a thumbs up and tap this red button to make it gray and be part of our YouTube family. Thank you for watching this video.